Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. And if you're new on this video, please guys don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Welcome to the channel, and this is a breakfast idea video. And this breakfast we're gonna be having is, as you may see, is some French toast with bacon that I am cooking on the griddle. So prior to me doing the video, I actually made my mixture for my French toast. And what I make my mixture is pretty simple for those who are learning how to cook or don't know how to make French toast. My mixture is literally just a couple of eggs and some milk. Feel free to add cinnamon to that. Feel free to add whatever you choose to, but I use regular milk and I use just my eggs. Now, occasionally I may add a little drop of cinnamon, but I most times don't. What I usually do sometimes is either I melt a little butter as well and put it in my mix, or either like I already did to this griddle, I'll you know, glaze my griddle with some butter. So this pan has been glazed with butter, and I dipped my bread. This is just some regular bread. Feel free to use Texas toast if you like the fluffier, bigger French toast. But this is just regular bread, and this is just some regular pork bacon. I like to cook my bacon on the griddle, guys, and I like to just have it, sit out and keep stirring it so that it can brown on both sides. But like I said, let's get back to the French toast, guys. I have my French toast just sitting out on my griddle, and look at that. You see the butter brown in the French toast just perfectly fine, and it's ready to go. This French toast and this bacon is what we're going to be having for a family of at least right now, because right now at home I would say at least a family of at least 7 plus. And it has to be able to stretch out, and I have my methods of, after I even make my food, I'll usually cut my bread in half or whatever. So feel free to do that, or just give whole slices of French toast. But guys, please guys, sit back and enjoy the rest of this video.